Well, YouTube, this is Johnny again. I'm bringing you a toolbox tour of my brand new 44-inch U.S. General Harbor Freight toolbox and my 26-inch Husky toolbox that I've had for a couple years but never really used. So without any further ado, starting at the top of the Husky, I'm gonna open it up now. I have a couple of adjustable wrenches, a little side cutter knife, if you will, lighter, and some a ruler for measuring, some sockets. They're 12 points, Craftsman. I don't quarter-inch drive. I don't really use them, but I just keep them up there for safekeepings. All right, with this is the first drawer on the left. It's just kind of a catch-all. Got just a bunch of little random stuff, pens and markers and such. Second drawer, the next one on the right, it's a little assortment of some air fittings, a couple of air guns here. Blow guns. This is some taps. This is just some random black and gold drill bits that I bought at Home Depot a while back. Little for the taps, and some extractor kits. The first big drawer, it's got a random bunch of hodgepodge of just different stuff, Torx bits, scrapers, picks, and such. Next one is the plier drawer. Bought this little wire rack from Harbor Freight. I think it was $10 or something. Hodgepodge of pliers as well, and electrical pliers. The last drawer on the Husky box, I got some dead blows in there. Some I think that's a drilling hammer maybe, and some ball pins, and of course Sawzall blades. Alright, this is the first drawer and probably my most expensive, heaviest drawer, the socket drawer on the Harbor Freight 44-inch. Here I have on this side, this is going to be impact sockets, pretty much a full set minus a couple there. Those are Harbor Freight Pittsburgh Pros, the chromes, pretty much Craftsman. Those are 1/2 inch. These are 3/8. Chromes are Craftsman again. The impacts are Harbor Freight 3/8. Then I have some 1/4 inch here, and then this is Craftsman 12-point 3/8 drive. Then here is just kind of a hodgepodge of stuff. Lowe's sells some of the old Sears products, and I picked this up a while back. I think it was like $30. I kind of just arranged a bunch of spark plug sockets and adapters and little extensions and such on here. Starting on this side, this is a 3/8 impact Pittsburgh Pro 3/8 chrome Craftsman 1/2 inch Craftsman, and then the last one here are your Pittsburgh Pro 1/2 inch. Same thing here, 1/4 inch Craftsman. These are 12 points Craftsman 3/8. And then I have a small little box of a bunch of just goodies that I've picked up over the last couple of years at pawn shops and stuff. This little guy is a snap-on somewhere. Focus somewhere. There it is, snap on. And so it's just a hodgepodge of just various nice little sockets and such. I think there's a Matco in here somewhere. Anyways, hodgepodge. Next drawer down, these are the standard wrenches. It's all Craftsman. There's here Craftsman line wrenches, with the exception of this little Eastco. Mostly just Craftsman. Those are offsets, and then this Blackhawk moon wrench, good for doing motor mounts on Humvees. These are a full set of gear wrench. These are stubbies from Harbor Freight. These ignition wrenches are Craftsman. And hodgepodge of just Craftsman stuff here. Next drawer down, kind of the same. These are mostly Craftsman, with the exception of a few over here. Got a KD, 2 KDs. This is a Proto. That's another KD. SK. Craftsman miniature wrenches, Craftsman line wrenches, professional series here that I picked up a while back. It's hard to do this one-handed. Craftsman. I like Craftsman, it's pretty good. They don't really sell them like they used to though, but still pretty good. These are gear wrench, full set. These I picked up a while back. Not really like a name brand, but I think there's one snap-on right here, SK right here, offset, some little stubbies from Pittsburgh, and then a couple of little miniatures. One's a Craftsman and one's SK, I believe. Okay. Armstrong, sorry. Next drawer down, screwdrivers. Over here are your flat